How's it going, guys? It's Bobby from SkyeBrowse, and today I'll be showing you a product demo on how to fly SkyeBrowse. Let's get started. So what you see right here is the SkyeBrowse iOS app. Go ahead and open it up. We currently support iOS only, but in the next 6 months or so, we'll be able to support Android. Let's go ahead and connect to our drone, and you can see that we support the Autel drones as well as the DJI drones. The DJI drones that we don't support are the 2 Enterprise ones, the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, as well as the M300. We also don't support the small DJI drones like the Spark, Mini, FPV, Air, those drones. Once you've connected, you can see there's also a toggle for Ultra. Go ahead and toggle that on. That forces the drone to record in 4K resolution, so that gives you some really nice 3D models. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap SkyeBrowse. And you enter into a camera view. So you have 3 main buttons. You got the start, exit, and on the bottom right, a map view. You also have a plus and minus button on the bottom center. If you press it, you can make the video brighter or darker. So on the bottom right, let's go ahead and tap that, and we'll expand the map view. And you see 2 circles. So whatever's in those 2 circles turns into a 3D model. If you fly higher, you can see the circles will get bigger. And if you fly lower, the circles will get smaller. Once you've done that, you've flown directly above it, go ahead and tap start. You can see on the bottom right, the camera pitches itself downwards, calibrates its cameras by itself. It's gathering flight logs. It's flying to its first orbit right there, and it's going to start recording video. So the first orbit right there records video at its current altitude. That allows you to get the finer details. And the second orbit right there records it at a higher altitude, which gets the surrounding environment. Once you've done that, in about 2 minutes or so, you get a tactical vibration saying that your flight is done. We also have SkyeBrowse right here. SkyeBrowse is our long-range mapping platform. If you tap SkyeBrowse, you enter into a map view like this. And you get the following. You get a highlighted rectangle. You can pinch to zoom in, zoom out, rotate, move it around. You also have some slider bars right here that makes it wider or thinner. And then once you've done that, click on continue. And you enter into the same exact camera view with the start, exit, and map view button. So right here, you can see on the top center, there's an AI that recommends the best altitude. This was done by training a lot of models and figuring out which altitude makes the best quality 3D models at a quick speed. Once you've reached that altitude, go ahead and tap start. And you can see the camera pitches itself downwards, and it's going to start flying the SkyeBrowse pattern. This new and improved SkyeBrowse allows us to capture even more of the sides of buildings and facades and whatnot. It's going to start recording video by itself, flying this grid pattern right here. Expand it and open it up. And you can see that because with SkyeBrowse, we're using video instead of pictures, we can cover huge amounts of area. So you can capture 50 acres in just 5 minutes with SkyeBrowse. And the reason is through our patented video grammetry. The drone doesn't have to slow down to take any pictures or anything like that. Otherwise, if it's flying too quickly, then it's just going to get some blurry pictures. With SkyeBrowse, we forced the drone to fly up to 34 miles an hour. So that's how we're able to capture such huge areas. Also, we're really into good user experience as well as presence of mind. So right here with SkyeBrowse, you can see the drone will always fly to its furthest waypoint right here. So here's the 2 waypoints, here and here. It will always fly to its furthest one from the pilot, because if the drone keeps on flying, it's running lower and lower on battery, you want the drone to be closer to the pilot as opposed to further away from the pilot over here. So these are the little things we added to the app that makes your user experience really nice. And the drone's gonna look at that smooth circle. Nice. So there you go. At the end, you'll get a tactile vibration, and the drone will return to home. You can cancel that if you'd like. And all you have to do is now just take out the SD card, upload it to our website, and you'll get an email back in about 10 minutes or so saying that your model's ready, and then you can check out your 3D model. And there you have it. That's a product demo of SkyeBrowse as well as WideBrowse. I hope you liked it. If you support our company, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.